SoniShield Duo activation via the SoniCloud Mobile Implementation Wizard. The first step is to select the settings gear in the bottom right hand corner and then selecting Scan for SoniShield meters. The Find Bluetooth Meters page will show you all Duos, views, and displays that have been powered on and are in proximity. You can also use the search bar at the top to find a device if it is on this page. Once connected to the device, please select Implementation Wizard at the top of the screen. Select Get Started at the bottom and it will walk you through the first step of the implementation wizard, which is the physical installation. During the installation, you will be prompted to take pictures of both the front of the meter and the sensors inside the appliance. Feel free to include any additional pictures such as cable management, the front of the appliance, or the label that the meter has been installed on. If you choose to move forward without uploading photos, select Don't want to upload photos and hit Continue without photos. The next step is connectivity. If you provided your network information to Sonicu, your Duo should automatically connect. If your Duo doesn't automatically connect, select Having Issues and then select Configure Wi-Fi/Meshing. This is where you'll go to input your SSID and passkey to connect to your network. Once connected to your network, select Next Step. The next portion of the wizard is the point setup portion. For this, all you have to do is enter the name of your data point and select which zone the point should be assigned to on SoniCloud. If you're using more than one input on the Duo, more points will appear. Make sure to name all points accordingly and assign them to the correct zone. After naming and assigning each point, click Save Point. Once all points are named, click Finalize Point Setup. Once that's completed, you'll be greeted with confetti indicating that you have completed the implementation wizard.